We will now continue to look into the differences between philosophy and science in the light of the distinction of fundamental and derivative philosophy. And fundamental philosophy, unlike derivative philosophy, is not at risk of branching off and transforming into new scientific disciplines, which has taken place by the emergence of many sciences. In this regard, it should be borne in mind that all Western science was formed and continues to be formed on the soil of philosophy, being its ancestor and nourishing source at the same time. And strictly judged, there is no unconditional science at all. The thought of such a thing is actually unthinkable and paralogical, as noted by Nietzsche. A philosophy, a belief, must always first be there so that science can develop a direction, a meaning, a limit, a method from it, and the right to exist. But how then does the derived philosophy differ from science? And for what reason does it not enjoy the recognition of the latter? That is, why does science not consider it as part of itself? As long as derived philosophy refuses to descend to the empirical realm of phenomena in order to test its positions, it does not leave the bosom of philosophy and continues to hover metaphysically in the periphery of philosophy. Therefore, psychoanalysis, unlike astrology, is classified as a science, despite the fact that the subject correlate of the first consists of subtle images of dreams, and the second consists, at least from a modern scientific viewpoint, of quite material objects, the illicit stars. And the philosophical unity of science is manifested, among other things, in the fact that its main division into natural, that is exact sciences, and humanitarian, that is inexact sciences, contrasts with the definition of mathematics being the most actually exact science, but at the same time, from an academic point of view, being classified as a humanitarian discipline. Figuratively, one can say that science, on a philosophical basis, forms a cobweb-like sphere of conditionally distinguished disciplines, permeated with mathematics. Further, we can distinguish interdisciplinary sciences such as biochemistry and social anthropology, just to mention some examples. And the fact that they are considered namely interdisciplinary sciences, however, is not epistemological in nature, but refers to the historical separation of scientific fields. That is, to the way people are simply accustomed to view the internal division of science.